The REDARC Tow Pro Liberty is the best value brake controller on the market for proportional braking, perfect for everyday towing in highway conditions. For everyday reliability and ease of use, the Tow Pro Liberty gives you dialed-in control for hauling, wherever the road takes you. With factory good looks, simple installation and zero knee knocking, this brake controller features proportional technology, perfect for everyday hauling and highway conditions. It delivers smooth, safe braking for trailers up to 2 axles, including enclosed, RV and livestock, and also fifth wheel, flatbed, marine, dump and utility trailers. The fingertip control knob can be mounted conveniently on the dash within easy reach, and the main unit is so compact it can be installed behind the dash. The Tow Pro Liberty can be mounted in any orientation, out of sight and away from the driver's knees to avoid potential interference with lower airbag deployment. REDARC's wide range of vehicle-specific wiring harnesses and switch inserts make for fast and easy install. Find out more by using the Tow Pro Selector tool to find out what accessories to get for your vehicle.